Because I know that there are people who really appreciate it. I know that, because stays really, really get a lot of strength from our music. I think that's one of the biggest reasons why we can't stop, and we will never stop, because this is all for the people who are really in need. Hugs for everyone! Hugs for everyone. Everyone needs a hug. Just to be able to not be perfect, but to be able to just really make everyone happy and just really satisfy everyone. I think that's one of my biggest dreams.